On December 10th, 2016, I made 66 successful trips around the sun. Now this year I'm not going to be flipping tires or fighting anybody, but I am going to walk up this mountain. This mountain, Hayden Butte. It's in Tempe, Arizona. And it's not a mountain climb or anything like that, but it is a very steep walk, so it's not like going up the treadmill. And I'm taking you with me, so let's go. It's hard to see the steepness of it just on this video. It's a heck of a walk. So here we go. These mountains are beautiful, these rocks and everything. And onward and upward. That's the end of the trail. The road, I should say. The trail continues with steps going up. So, we continue along. This is a fantastic leg workout, especially a glute workout going up. As you can see, it's not all steps. Dropped a piece of the camera here, but almost at the top. Well, this is the top. Can't go up any further. Check out this scenery though. Climb's always worth the scenery. Look at that. I'm looking down at this huge State Farm building. You see the roof of it. It's incredible. And then the other mountains in the background. Thank God I'm in shape. Did the right things all these years, and it pays off. Well, you climbed at the top of the mountain. You gotta climb down too. Will be easier, but it's still not easy. I keep looking for the escalator. I don't see one here. Alright. The thing about coming down this beaten path here, obviously it's not all steps, although there are some steps, is a person's got to be really careful. So anyway, all I gotta do is glide down. Where's my skateboard? That's what I need here now. Just glide on down this thing. Completed. I'll tell you, coming down, you're working with gravity, but it's not that easy. It's like doing 500 negatives on the leg extension machine. Anyway, that's it. This is a heck of a workout because if I'm sweating in the Phoenix dry air, and it's not that hot today, it's a great workout. And if you're ever in the area, give it a shot. And I'll see you on number 67.